You're a superhero.
Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to lock your WhatsApp chats on both Android and iPhone. Let's get started. To lock a WhatsApp chat on your iPhone, open any chat and tap on Contact Info. Scroll down and find the Lock Chat option under the Contact settings. Tap on it, and you'll see a toggle to enable the chat lock. Turn it on and follow any prompts, like confirming your Face ID or passcode for added security. Once enabled, go back to the main chat screen. Swipe down from the top of the chat list to reveal the Locked Chats folder. To access your locked chats, you'll need to unlock them using Face ID or your passcode for added security. This is how you enable Chat Lock on your iPhone. Now, let's move on and see how to enable it on Android. To lock a WhatsApp chat on your Android, select the chat you want to lock. After selecting the chat, tap the three dots in the top right corner of your screen and choose Lock Chats. You'll be prompted to set up security by adding your fingerprint or PIN. Once done, your chat will be securely locked. If the locked chat isn't appearing, simply swipe down on the chat screen to access it. To hide your locked chats, tap the three dots in the top right corner of your screen and enable Hide Locked Chats. Set a secret code for added security, ensuring that only you can access them. After setting your secret code, go back to the chat page. To find your hidden locked chats, tap the search bar and enter your secret code. This will reveal your hidden chats, ensuring they remain secure and private. To turn off the hidden chat lock, tap the three dots in the top right corner, go to Chat Lock Settings, and disable the Hide Locked Chats option. Then, enter your code to turn off the secret code. This will make your locked chats visible and accessible without a code. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you all in the next one.